It is 3:15 AM and we're going to Italy today. Yes! Welcome back to our channel, guys. We're James and Alex. Since we left the UK 10 years ago, we have been embarking on some pretty epic adventures, but we've always wanted to trip with our family, so we decided to surprise our mums with a trip to Italy. Meet mum number one, James's mum. And mum number two, Alex's mum.
Are we there yet?
They also have no idea where in Italy they will be going, so each day will be a new surprise.
Where? The Dolomites. Oh, the Dolomites.
We will be road tripping across Italy through one of our favourite areas, the Dolomites, whilst also ticking off places such as Lake Garda, Verona, Trento and more. This is going to be one vacation to remember. First things first, it's time to leave the UK. We've made it through, we've collected the bags, now to go pick up the car. So if like us and you've booked with Centauro rental, then you can come out of exit number 4, cross the road and wait for the free shuttle bus that will take you from the airport to where the car depot area is.
Are we ready to drive on the left-hand side, but on the right-hand side of the road?
I see where you're going with that, and yes I am.
So we are not spending any time in Milan this time round. We've hopped straight in the car and we're heading to our first stop of the day, which is Lake Garda. But we're just stopping at the southern tip at a place called Sirmione. I'm probably pronouncing that incorrectly. Our mums are very excited, so we're very excited to be taking them there.
That's Lake Garda on the right. And away we go.
We made it to Sirmione. 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 Sirmione.
So we find ourselves in the heart of Sirmione, which is the southern tip of Lake Garda. It sticks out just a little bit, almost like a spit. Now, we heard rave reviews about this place called Piadineria. They do some amazing food. We purchased 4 and it came just under 30 euros, which for lunch for 4 people actually isn't too bad. So we have a 2-hour drive to...
Where? The Dolomites. Oh, the Dolomites. Awesome.
We're going to the Dolomites.
You've been there. Lovely. It's beautiful because when you filmed the Dolomites, is it Dolomites? Dolomites. What is it?
Dolomites.
Dolomites. Dolomites. Dolomites.
So we enjoyed our wine in the sun and then began our 2-hour journey to Bolzano, where we are basing ourselves for the next few nights whilst we explore the Dolomites. Bless, even the kids fell asleep in the back. It's been a long day.
Wow. Oh, this is so nice.
Beautiful, and that sunlight.
Awesome.
We couldn't be arriving at a better time. This definitely is the nicest part of Bolzano.
Oh, definitely.
This is absolutely amazing.
Can you believe this is the view we're going to be waking up to? It's gorgeous.
So we've made it to our accommodation in Bolzano and it's unbelievable.
We took a bit of a gamble booking an Airbnb and we had our fingers crossed that we would end up A, in a good part of Bolzano, which we definitely are,
Yep.
and B, that the apartment would end up being nice. And oh my god, it's amazing.
Absolutely perfect. And the views you get is stunning.
360-degree views of amazingness.
Insane. Even my mum is lost for words, aren't you, Mum?
I am. I'm blown away.
Enough said. Good to be back with our mums.
Yeah! Mum! Mum number 1. Where's mum number 2?
Mum number 2 is on the phone.
Oh.
Is she on the phone or is she doing a live on Instagram? Maybe she's doing a live to all of her fans.
The next day.
Good morning everyone, it is a fresh new day here in Bolzano. We finished charging the last few bits and bobs to take with us on our road trip towards our first stop in the Dolomites, which is...
Seceda!
Seceda!
Seceda! So the drive should take us about 45 minutes to get from Bolzano to Ortisei. It was one of our absolutely favourite places that we saw when we were last here in the Dolomites, and we just can't wait to share that same experience with our mums.
Are we there yet?
So we've finally arrived to the base of Seceda in Ortisei. We are at the cable car park and it actually only costs 12 euros per day. So we're now walking up the stairs to the base of the cable car. So the tickets cost 148 euros for 4 people. It's worth it because we're not going to hike 5 hours up the mountain, are we?
You might, we're not. We'll meet you up there. Kicks you on the bum.
The thing is, the cable car is an experience in itself because the views that you get is just insane.
Oh, that is amazing, fantastic,
Breathtaking.
yeah, exhilarating.
Good.
Yeah, cool. Thank you. The temperature has dropped a little bit from 28 to 13.
Oh, wow. That is like a wow.
So the view isn't as spectacular just because of the covering cloud. So we're going to go grab a coffee, wait for the clouds to disappear. Blue sky is coming. Taking pictures of everything, Mum?
I am. It's coffee time.
I didn't get it.
You don't love the taste of coffee.
No, I don't.
Oh, it's gorgeous. I mean, we've got the sun on it. It's lovely.
It's as good, if not better, than what I remember last time.
Just can't get over these views.
We're actually walking into the cloud, aren't we?
We are. The mothers have grown impatient. We are trying to make the most of the view now that the clouds have cleared and they're like, we've seen enough. We're going to go to the bar. So they're on their way to the bar now. Let's finish off enjoying this view and then we can meet them back at the Refugio a little bit later.
This is what the mums just sent us while we're out here picturing. They're enjoying a wine and some prosciutto.
Oh, nice.
Should we run back now?
I think we should. Let's peg it there now. So our time at Seceda has finished. It goes to show that patience is key. I'd say for the first hour and a half we had complete cloud cover and then instantly it all just cleared up. The sun is shining. It's actually rather hot and one thing we would recommend is prepare for all types of weather.
Oh. Hi, we was wondering where you were.
You enjoying yourselves?
Yeah, cheers. Yeah, we saved you some fat.
Ooh.
So whilst our time at Seceda has come to an end, we are now back in Ortisei and we are going to take a 5-minute walk into town, hunt down some food and hunt down a cool place to have a drink.
It's really nice.
Is it fresh?
Yeah, lovely.
You went.
1956, the year you were both born.
That is weird,
That is crazy.
It's like
But it's very hot.
limoncello.
Sherbet lemon.
Do you know I actually bought a bottle of limoncello, but I never used it, but hey.
Whoa, go on, Mum.
Oh, it's really nice.
Yummy.
Oh, it's nice.
Ciao.
That was so good.
A good meal, a good wine.
And it's sunny.
Good company.
And takeaway.
Oh my god, I'm so hot. The sun's shining. Ready to go?
Hey kids, have you have a good day today? Yay!